What's going on, YouTube? So I've been kind of late on making this second video. Let's get a cup of coffee. So as you all know, Beastie is an F-150, and these are actually the factory OEM running boards that came on here. Now you may be sitting there saying, "Hey, Stu, mine were chrome." Yep, those are too. And I tried to eliminate the look of chrome on everything on Beastie. So these were plastic dipped. And I must say, that plastic dip held on very, very well. Yeah, this is all grass. Yeah, so it held on well. There was a few spots that I had to obviously redo, and that's not one of them. Maybe it is. And so I was constantly looking for something better. This was a temporary fix. So I decided to let my fingers peruse the eBay universe, and I found something kind of doable. So I guess I'm going to cut right here and show you what I'm talking about. And so here is the finished look, the dirty finished look, of course. Just in case you're wondering, it is raining out here, so that's why Beastie looks as dirty as he does. So I'm going to talk about this briefly for a minute because I bought these off of eBay. I guess I will put the link in the description, and I will also talk about why I do not like them. For the first thing, when they came, they didn't fit the truck. The mounting brackets did not fit the correct way. So I will say this about the gentleman that I bought them from. He did send me a whole nother set of brackets. Come to find out, they're just not accurately to fit. One side fits perfectly, the other side doesn't. And no matter how many sets of brackets there are, they just didn't fit the right way. So I took them off and I put them back on. I even switched sides. And at the end of the day, these are a decent looking pair, more cheap than the actual authentic ones. So I may keep these for a few months, not much longer, because while they do look good, one side is mounted correctly, the other side isn't. And so since I'm mainly the only person in there, I made sure that the driver's side is mounted correctly, just in case I have a passenger driver. They don't know that it's not mounted correctly, but I do, so I can gingerly get up and down on the vehicle. So yeah, they look stylish. I love the look. Yeah, so the original ones, I think they're on, American trucks. I like the way they look. And I was trying to penny pinch, save $100 by trying these. And wow, they just got dirty like crazy. So yeah, that's it. I will probably go get a washing when it stops raining. Wow, it just looks very dirty. But I would like to talk about something here. I want to talk about this product that I bought off of Amazon, and it was a rim protector, if you will. And I guess I can pause right here to put that picture in. Okay, so the rim protector, there was a lot of reviews about it and everything else like that. And, you know, I'm an Amazon and an eBayer, so I saw that, you know, several people had commented about it. So I was like, okay, cool. 4.5 stars. All right, good to go. So I bought it. Fit perfectly on the rim. You know, you pretty much you wash the whole rim. You put the rim protector back on. And then when the two ends meet, there's a little cap and some glue. You connect both of them together, and then you put the cap over the 2 points to seal the whole rim. I did all that. And then they said, you know, wait about 24 hours before you drive it. I did that too. As a matter of fact, I waited 3 days before I drove again. And I got on the road and I heard a tit 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 tit. I was like, man, what in the world is that? What had happened was it came off on one side, and it was about from I'd say about from here to about a third of the wheel was flapping in the wind. So every rotation, it was hitting my truck. It was hitting it so much so you can't see it, but it was leaving the sticky residue in an imprint every time it hit. And it didn't just do it to this one. It did it to 3 out of the 4 tires that I had it on. So I know I did it correctly. I mounted it correctly. I made sure that that in particular one fit this vehicle, fit these rims. It's just a bogus, very bogus rim protector. So it fell off. Of course, it came off, like I said, about a third of the rim, so I decided to take it all off. And of course, wouldn't you know it, when I did, I was in the bank ATM, the bank teller line or whatnot, because of, you know, due to what's going on, most of the banks are closed. So guess what happened? That was on one side. This side actually came because I was in getting a COVID test done. And this lady decided that she wanted to park in the middle of the road. And I thought I could make it around her, and I didn't. So that's that. So in conclusion, don't really like these Nerf boards, and I definitely do not like that rim protector. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, but again, leave your negativity off my page. Hey, this is Beastie. I'm your host, Stu. Make it a great day.